Hello rainbows, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am doing a first impression and review of some xoBeauty lip products. Woo! So this just arrived in the mail today. I was going to have a makeup free day, but for you guys, I'm here with makeup. So quite a few of you asked me to do this review via my Facebook page. I absolutely love Shannon. I've never used any of her products before. I think I might have actually used some of her lashes. Yeah, I tell a lie. I've used her lashes in the past, but never used any of her actual makeup products. And I know that she had released some new colours in her lipstick range. So I've purchased 4 of her new lipsticks, 2 of which are lipsticks and the other 2 are the liquid kind of lipsticks. I'm not sure what she calls them, but anyway, this is what the packaging looks like. It looks really nice and cute. It's got xoBeauty on it, a little business card. Just gonna take it out. So they do have a little bit of like packaging on them. So here is the packaging. I think she released 8 new shades, 4 of which are the liquid lipsticks and 4 are the standard lipsticks. So I bought 2 of each. I would have loved to buy all of them, but perhaps next time. I'm going to start off with the lipsticks. So all of the new shades in her lipstick collection are matte. I know she does have other kind of finishes within her lipsticks, and I do know that these names are really hard to pronounce, so I'm going to get these names wrong and I'm really, really sorry, but I am just hopeless with pronunciations and things like that. The lipsticks here are 3.5 gram or 0.12 ounces, and they retail for, let me have a look, for $23.76 Australian cents. Of course they're cruelty free. On her site they say they're paraben free as well. So this first shade is Harikoa? Oh my god, I'm sorry, I'm really sorry. So it's described as being a peach toned terracotta. It is a matte lipstick. The matte lipsticks are, the little blurb for matte lipsticks is, our matte lipsticks goes on opaque and feels super comfortable on your lips. Exfoliate your lips and apply for best results. These work great on top of lip liner or as a lip base. Avoid oily foods. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Dun, 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 dun. So this is the first shade. Applying it, I did feel I had to go backwards and forwards a fair bit to try and get it to be a opaque coverage. It's definitely matte, so I think that's why it was like taking a little bit of extra time to kind of apply it. It does feel very, very nice on the lips. This is something that I'd feel really comfortable with wearing all day, and because it does have that more matte kind of finish, I feel like it's not really going to get on my teeth, or it's not going to budge or move around, and at the same time it's not going to completely dry out my lips. I think the colour is really, really nice. It's not as intense as like a full-on red lip, but it does have a little bit of punch to it without it yet being too over the top. Yeah, I think it's just a really, really gorgeous colour. I really like it. It does make your teeth look nice and white, and yeah, I'm pretty impressed with this. I do feel that this would transfer, like if you were to kiss someone, see that little bit on my hand there, it is definitely going to transfer, so it's not transfer proof. It is a lipstick, so bear that in mind, but I am really, really impressed with it. It feels super nice. I love the color, and yeah, I'm loving it. Hello. Okay, so the next lipstick we're trying out is called Kairos. It's described on the xoBeauty site as being a medium muted peachy pink. So in the bullet, I'm just noticing it does look very similar to the other color in a way. Oh, okay, not really that similar. This Kairos does seem a lot brighter. So again, this one went on really nicely. I actually feel like this one kind of went on a bit easier than the previous one. It just seemed to glide on a lot more. It seemed to be a lot more opaque. I didn't feel like I had to go backwards and forwards as much to get like a nice kind of coverage with this lipstick. I really love the shade. Again, it is like a bright kind of intense shade, but I don't think it's too over the top. Like, you could easily wear this out and still feel comfortable and, you know, sassy. So yeah, it's a gorgeous, gorgeous shade. It does feel really nice and creamy. It does have a slight kind of bit of dryiness to it, but nothing crazy. It's just like your own lips, but you feel like you need to put a lip balm on. You know, it's not drying nowhere near compared to liquid lipsticks or anything like that. So yeah, I really like the shade. It's very, very nice. So the next two ones are the liquid lipsticks. Again, they're in the same packaging. These ones are 3.5 mil or 0.11 fluid ounces. So they are exactly the same size as the normal lipsticks. I think they retail for the same price as well, but obviously they're a different formula. I think I saw on Shannon's video that the liquid lipsticks are more of a demi matte in a way, so similar to the Australis Girl Boss. I gathered from that, if you guys haven't seen that review, check it out. From what I gathered, they're not like a drying liquid lipstick. They more have like a little bit of a velvety moisturizing finish to them. They are described as being a luxe liquid lipstick that goes on opaque and dries down to a comfortable cream finish. So this next shade I am doing is called Carpe Diem. I wasn't 100% sure I wanted this one, but then it was so unique as well, and I don't really have something like this. I mean, I've got a million and one nude lipsticks, but not like a real nudie lilac-y kind of shade. And it did remind me of Cashmere by Lime Crime in a way, like a greyish kind of shade. So I thought, oh, might as well try it out. So this is a muted wearable lilac is what it's described as being. Again, packaging is just the same silver. It does have a little slit in it so you can see the color, which I think is pretty useful. So it is a doe foot applicator. Okay, so these glide on so easily. They are still kind of drying down, so they don't dry down instantly, probably after a few minutes have dried down. I honestly just like grabbed the doe foot applicator off and just used one side of the applicator, and that was plenty to do my lips. I love the applicator. It's really easy to apply, really easy to work with. They do have a kind of sweet scent, but nothing like over the top. I really actually am impressed with this shade. I was kind of thinking like it would be more lilac-y, and I'm glad it isn't. I think it's just like the nice kind of cool nude shade. Some of the swatches I've seen looked really kind of lilac-y, but I'm actually really impressed with this. I think it's a really nice cool toned nude. It does have a very slight hint of lilac, but nothing, you know, crazy. So even now, it's been on for a few minutes, I still feel like it's still drying down, like it still feels creamy when I rub my lips together. It hasn't like 100% set. If I was to touch it like this, I still do have a little bit of like, I was going to say fallout, but transfer. So yeah, it definitely hasn't dried down 100%. I will just wait a while, see what it's like once it's dried down. It has been about 10 minutes or so, and the lipstick still hasn't dried down. So it still is going to have a semi kind of glossy finish to it. And I know she did mention that it was a demi matte, so don't expect it to dry like a liquid lipstick does. It dries down to like slightly more long-lasting lip gloss in a way. So yeah, it still does have like that little bit of a shine to it, but it feels super hydrating, beautiful on the lips. Absolutely love it. It just feels really nice. So yeah, yes. The last shade is called Namja, and this is described as being a muted warm pink color. So yeah, let's just give it a try. So this is Namja. I'm going to zoom you out a little bit more. Again, it has that beautiful feeling to the Carpe Diem shade. It goes on really nicely. I did feel that this one, I did have to take a little bit more time to get it even looking, because it is more of an brighter intense shade than Carpe Diem. So I did feel the applicator kind of was taking off a little bit of the product where I was applying it, so I did just have to go back and kind of tweak it again, but that is completely fine. The color is absolutely gorgeous. My lips feel very nice and hydrated, and yeah, I'm very impressed with this shade and this whole range. I can't believe it's taken me this long to actually use some of Shannon's products. So Shannon, if you watch this, you have done an amazing job. Absolutely love them. They feel so nice. I do feel that possibly the liquid lipsticks could be a touch more hydrating than the matte lipsticks. They just allow you to kind of rub your lips together a little bit more easily compared to these ones, but they are both very hydrating. They don't feel awful on your lips. They just, yeah, feel really nice. So yeah, that is my review. The shipping was really fast. I'm pretty sure I ordered them last week, and today is Wednesday, so maybe it's about a week or so for the shipping. And yeah, I'm very, very impressed. So thank you rainbows for watching. I hope you liked this video. If there's any other products you would like me to do a review on, let me know. As long as they're a cruelty-free brand, then I'm all for it. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye. Hazel. She is watching Peppa Pig and playing. Oh, aren't you so cute? Gorgeous girl. I love you. Oh, you just farted. You just farted, didn't you? You popped off. Oh, so cute.